On this fine day at Ellwood Farm Machinery with a Case 895XL, which as you can see is absolutely stunning. Just take it in how clean and tidy it is. Very nice, very clean. And if you have a walk round, it's so straight. They don't come around in this condition very often. At the back we have 3-point linkage, pickle pitch, PTO 514 1000, 2 auxiliary spools, trailer brakes. Oh, and it's ever so clean. We'll have a hop in the cab a minute. And what a nice place to sit. With a working radio, which is one thing. Everything on the dashboard is working spot on. It's a very nice place to sit and admire the world in here. Oh, put the stopper in would help. There we go. Very simple gearbox, not particularly complicated. Four-wheel drive working spot on. Nice power steering here. Very easy and light. They're going a bit faster here, look. Brakes like anchors, which is amazing really. Very easy and nice tractor to drive. Get going into high gear. We're really going now. Oh. Them bumps are not getting any better and they're not improving. Not at all. We'll have a look at the back. We'll have a hop out the cab and have a look at the auxiliary spool. Oh, the PTO. Look, doing his little dance there for you. And there she is, ladies and gentlemen, ready for you. Ready for work. Available for UK delivery. A very clean, tidy example. Sparkling in the sunlight. More information available on the Facebook page, Ellwood Farm Machinery. Available.